I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Hey guys, Jennifer here from the JJ Twins. I know it's been a while since I've been really making any videos. My sister Genevieve has been doing a bit more than me, but anyways, I'm back and I just wanted to show you guys a cute little tutorial, or I guess you just call it a DIY, on how to make a really cute photo frame for your significant other, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. And we're going to start with some of the things we're going to need. So you're going to need a picture frame, and you can purchase it anywhere: Walmart, Target, Dollar Store, 99-cent store, wherever you want, Marshalls, Ross, whatever. You just need a picture frame, and then some scissors. I just have these small ones, but you know, scissors, and then 3 to 4 places that you've been to with your significant other, because they're going to be part of the picture frame, as well as you're going to need a background. And you're also going to need 3 to 4 pictures of you and your significant other. I recommend picking 4 pictures that you've that go with the map. So if you've been to Santa Cruz with that person, then I would use a picture if you have one of you and that person at Santa Cruz. So that's basically all you really need. Oh, you'll also need some tape to stick on the pictures, and you'll just need to cut out heart shapes, which is easy, and I'll show you in a minute. So what you're going to start off doing is taking that background and just putting it off to the side, because we're going to need that till the end. We're not going to need that till the end. And then you can start with your pictures or the maps, either or. I guess you can start with the maps. So I'm going to start cutting these out in heart shapes. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Next, you're going to start cutting the pictures out as well, but this time with these, you're not going to cut them out in a heart shape. You're just going to cut them out in small rectangles that basically how they are, just make them fit into the picture frame, because they're going to be lined up at the bottom. So you want to make sure that they all fit on the picture frame, like so. Then you're going to move on to the background. I just chose this cute marble and gold background, which will fit in the back. You will have to cut it to make it fit. So. So now it fits in the frame. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put the picture frame aside, and you're going to go ahead and keep this. Make sure you're working on a somewhat of a hard surface so it doesn't mess up. But then you're going to go ahead and grab your 4 pictures that you cut earlier, and you're going to align them where you want them to go. So I'm going to want mine to be something like this. Well, let me tape them so that you can see it better. So then your picture frame should look like this so far. Find a stencil online, a heart shape, like on Publisher, or I think the Word document has it too. And you can put that outline of the heart over the picture, overlay it, and then that way you can cut out the heart easier. That way you'll have something you can trace while you're cutting out. Then you go ahead and just tape that up as well. It should look something like this. Then, with the extra paper that you have left over from like the pictures or whatever, any extra white piece of paper will do, because you're going to need this to write cute little notes on the frame. So just cut out pieces of paper just to see where, just to see how it fits on the page. I'm trying to make the papers look the same size. And you just need 3 to 4 depending on how many locations and pictures you print it out. So this is what it looks like so far, with the little papers cut on top. And then with those little papers, we're gonna write little messages on here, as you guys saw in the intro. So we're gonna start with the first one, and it's gonna say where we first met. So I have written where we met. So that goes along with the map where we met at, and then a picture of us where we met. And then the second one's our first date. Same thing. Our first kiss. There's a picture of us kissing. And then our first trip, when we went on a trip to San Francisco together. By the way, this is just an example, what do you call it, frame. I have my real one on the side, which I'll show you guys at the end, but this is just because I didn't film it when I finished it, so I'm just filming another one for you guys, just so you guys can see how I did it. But yeah, so this is how it's gonna look, and we're gonna bring these down a little so that we have room to write over here on top. All that's glued on. If you guys can see that. We're gonna write Happy Valentine's Day. I prefer marker just because you can see it better. It's not so thin. But that's basically how it looks. And then you're just gonna assemble the whole thing all together. Basically what it would look like. This one I did super quick, but I have mine that I'm going to show you guys again at the end. So this is the full outcome of what it should hopefully look like if you take your time. This is the one I made when I take my time. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't really like the picture in the back, so that's why I'm covering it with one that I actually like. But yep, that's what the frame looks like, and I think it's a really cute idea. So if you want to do this for your significant other, I really recommend it because I think it's super cute, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna really like it. It's basically little memories you've had since you first started dating. So if you guys enjoy this DIY, and I'll see you guys next time.
I be dreaming.